Thank you for being here. Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for checking out my video. When you buy something from that link that's going to be down below in this video, I will earn commission. Could be a few cents, could be a few bucks. It all depends on what the item is. So thank you from buying from my shop. It will help me out greatly as a mom, as a working mom, as a human, as a person. I can buy some more milk and eggs. So thank you very much. So Microfiber Wholesale is a company that I have loved for several years now. I think about 3 years or so. I get my cleaning cloths from them. I get my mop pads. I get my high reach duster, my flat mops, and now they made genie sheets. These are eco-friendly sheets that you put in the spray bottle that comes with it, and you fill it up with water, and they dissolve in the water, and they make a cleaner that's eco-friendly for you. So it's really cool, because that way you're only putting the sheet in water, and you don't have to constantly buy more and more bottles. You just reuse the bottle that you have. So if you want to check out the genie sheets, look at that link in this video, because I will attach the product in there, and then you can buy my affiliate link, and then I'll earn commission. Microfiber Wholesale also makes amazing cleaning cloths. You've probably have heard me talk about them for years and years and years. This one is actually a little damp and kind of a little dingy dirty, because I sprayed it with their all-purpose genie sheets cleaner. I sprayed onto here when I was wiping down the furniture, dusting with it, wiping down some counters, and then when I'm done cleaning, I throw it in my wet bag to be washed. So this is a Microfiber Wholesale cleaning cloth. You can see it's really big. They make a smaller size as well. And look at how thick and durable this is. See all those little microfibers? Very strong, durable cleaning cloths. They make different colors. So let's say you want to have pink for kitchen and blue for dusting and green for bathrooms and whatever. You want to have different colors, you could do that. Microfiber Wholesale, I'll put a link down below too. You could check out their cleaning cloths. You can check out their genie sheet cleaner. And they also make glass and mirror cloths. Now, what is the difference between this one compared to the other one? First off, one side feels a lot smoother, silkier. The cleaning cloth and the glass and mirror. See the different texture? This is more rigid, more rough, a lot thicker for cleaning, for scrubbing, for dusting, for just wiping off surfaces. This is smoother in texture. The microfiber isn't as raised. It's still there, but it's just not as raised because it's smoother, because it's for glass and mirror. And it will not leave lint or any fuzzies like cottonwood or newspaper or paper towel that will break apart when it gets wet. This will not. So it's made specifically for glass and mirror. And you can see it's a nice size. You fold it in half and half, and then you can get 8 sides of it to clean. I made a video showing how to do that. You should check that video out too. So this is the cleaning cloth. This is the glass and mirror cloth. You can get the microfiber cloths and towels and the genie sheets. When you buy from that link down below, I will earn commission, and it will help me out greatly. Yay! So buy from me. That's my cleaning bag right there. And I'll earn commission. Thank you so much for checking out my videos. I really appreciate it. I hope my videos help with keeping your home and office crunchified clean. Thanks again.